Here's what nobody tells you about property investing. The people earning the most consistent income aren't always the ones buying properties. They're the ones finding them. I'm about to reveal the exact system I use to source profitable UK property deals without spending a single pound of my own money, and how you can do the same, starting this week. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've been trying to break into property for years, this system works. And before we dive in, grab your free deal sourcing blueprint PDF. It's waiting for you in the description below. Let me break down why this business model exists in the first place. The UK property market has a massive inefficiency problem. On one side, you have cash buyers, landlords, developers, portfolio investors, who have capital but zero time to hunt for deals. On the other side, you have motivated sellers who need to move fast. Divorces, relocations, inherited properties, downsizing retirees, landlords exiting the market. As a deal sourcer, you're the bridge. You solve the investor's time problem and the seller's urgency problem. And for creating that connection, you earn anywhere from £2,000 to £5,000 per transaction. No deposit, no mortgage, no renovation risk, just research, relationships, and results. Everyone assumes you need secret off-market contacts to find deals. That's not true. Some of the best deals are hiding in plain sight on Rightmove and Zoopla. You just need to know what you're looking for. The 4 red flags of motivated sellers. These are your treasure map markers. 1. Multiple price reductions. If a property's been reduced twice, the seller is feeling pressure. 2. Extended time on market. Anything over 90 days means something's wrong. Either the price, the property, or the agent isn't performing. 3. Obvious cosmetic issues in photos. Dated kitchens, tired carpets, overgrown gardens. These scare off retail buyers, but they're perfect for your investor network. 4. Estate jargon that screams motivation. Phrases like needs modernization, cash buyers only, quick sale required, or open to offers are all signals. Here's your weekly workflow. Set up save searches on Rightmove and Zoopla with alerts for price reductions in your target postcodes. Spend 30 minutes every Monday morning reviewing new flags. That's it. Consistency beats intensity. Now let's talk about the deals that never make it to Rightmove. Off-market sourcing isn't complicated. It's just direct. Method 1. The landlord loophole. Landlords are leaving the market in record numbers right now. Section 24, tax changes, EPC regulations, upcoming renters reform bill. Many are quietly looking for exits. Go to Gumtree, Spare Room, and Open Rent. Look for landlords advertising rental properties. These people already own investment property. Send them a polite, professional message. Hi, I work with property investors in area. If you're ever considering selling, I'd love to chat about making it simple for you. No agents, no hassle. 3 out of 10 will reply. 1 out of 10 will be genuinely interested. Method 2. Facebook Marketplace prospecting. Search house for rent in Facebook Marketplace in your area. These are landlords managing their own properties. Same approach, soft, helpful, positioning yourself as a solution. Method 3. Physical reconnaissance. Old school still works. Walk your target areas with your phone. Look for properties with obvious neglect, boarded windows, gardens like jungles, 6 months of mail behind the door. Take photos, note the address, use the land registry to find the owner. Send a letter. Yes, a physical letter. It cuts through digital noise. Here's where amateurs fail and professionals shine. Deal packaging. Your analysis needs to be so clear, so thorough, that an investor can make a decision in 5 minutes. The 5 non-negotiable numbers. Every deal presentation must include: number 1, purchase price, the agreed or expected offer figure. Number 2, true market value, what it's worth today. Use Zoopla estimates and recent sold prices within 400 meters. Number 3. Refurbishment budget. Be conservative. Get quotes if possible, or use £15,000 for a light refurb, £30,000 to £40,000 for a full renovation. Number 4. Monthly rental income. Use Open Rent and Rightmove rental comps. 3 comparable properties minimum. Number 5. Net monthly cash flow. Income minus mortgage, service charges, insurance, maintenance reserve, and void allowance. From these, you calculate return on investment and yield percentage. If you can't confidently explain these numbers, the investor won't trust the deal, or you. You don't need 500 investors. You need 15 serious, cash-ready buyers who trust your judgment. Here's how to build that list without spending money on ads. Strategy 1. LinkedIn authority. Positioning. Post 1 deal breakdown per week on LinkedIn, even if it's a hypothetical analysis. Write a 200-word post explaining why it works or doesn't work. Tag it with hashtag property investing, hashtag UK property. You'll attract the right people. Strategy 2. Local property meetups. Find free networking events on Eventbrite or meetup.com. Go with one goal: collect 10 business cards. Follow up the next day with a simple message offering to send them your next deal. Strategy 3. The WhatsApp VIP list. Once you have 10 to 15 contacts, create a broadcast list. Not a group, a broadcast. This way, each message feels personal. Send 1 deal per week maximum. Quality over quantity builds trust. Your deal package is your product. Make it look like it came from a £10,000 a month consultant, not someone working from their kitchen table. Page 1. Executive summary with headline. Below market value HMO opportunity. Manchester, 18% ROI potential. Page 2. Property details with photos and floor plan. Page 3. Financial breakdown with all 5 key numbers clearly visible. Page 4. Comparable evidence for both sale price and rental income. Page 5. Strategy recommendation. Is this a flip, BRRR, HMO conversion, or buy and hold? Page 6. Risk factors and how to mitigate them. This shows maturity. Final page. Your sourcing fee and next steps. This is non-negotiable. To operate legally as a deal sourcer in the UK, you need 3 things. 1. Register with HMRC for anti-money laundering supervision. It's free and mandatory. 2. Register with the ICO as a data controller if you're storing client information. It costs £40 per year. 3. Use a compliant sourcing agreement. Do not operate on handshakes and verbal promises. Get a template from a property solicitor. Budget £300 for a proper one. Set up a limited company for credibility and tax efficiency. Use your sourcing fees to pay yourself a salary and dividends. Keep it clean, keep it professional. So there you have it, the complete system for sourcing property deals with zero capital. It's not magic, it's method. It's showing up consistently, analyzing confidently, and building trust 1 deal at a time. If you want the step-by-step checklist version of everything we just covered, download the free deal sourcing blueprint. Link is in the description. And if this was valuable, hit subscribe because we're releasing in-depth UK property content every single week.